Pretty seasonable day across the region. Time-lapse view from our Charlottesville camera showing you some of the high middle-level clouds that have worked in since this afternoon. But overall, not a bad day, and hopefully you were able to get some things done right before Christmas. Boy, do we have some changes to unfold here for Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. They're up to 51 at the airport, currently 46, and just those high and mid-level clouds that are working in, they'll continue to thicken here tonight. 41 at the Shenandoah Valley Airport, and a high temperature there of 47 from this afternoon. So temperatures here tonight are pretty much going to be at their lowest early, with temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40, may actually start to rise with more clouds thickening up as we go into the early morning hours of Christmas Eve. And we've got an action-packed day for Christmas Eve. If you could cram as much weather in, well, we've got it for tomorrow. Rain, windy conditions. It will be much warmer tomorrow. Mild numbers in the upper 50s to lower 60s, all preceding a strong Arctic cold front that'll send temperatures crashing as we go into the overnight period tomorrow night into Christmas Day. And basically on Christmas Day, temperatures in the 20s and low 30s with wind chills in the teens and 20s. So Santa is bringing in the Arctic chill in a big way, and yes, we could still have a few flurries or a snow shower in the air early Christmas morning. Now, as far as the bigger story for tomorrow, it is the potential for flooding. Flash flood watch blankets much of the Commonwealth. We already have saturated soils. Of course, last week we were dealing with snow, sleet, and ice, and some areas still north and west still have some snow cover on the ground, so be mindful if you live near small creeks and streams, other low-lying areas that are flood prone anyway. But in general, we're talking about 1.5 inches to maybe 2.5 inches of rainfall. Basically, this purple shaded area, both on the European and the American GFS model, are much the same. So that's a good amount of rain, and it won't take much to trigger some flooding. Now, while low for us, we have a marginal risk that is highlighted across our portion of central Virginia for isolated severe storms. Even if we don't have a thunderstorm, it's still going to be windy tomorrow. The main threat are damaging wind gusts. The greater risk for some severe weather is farther south down toward Richmond, Petersburg, and Norfolk. Now, in terms of snowfall, yes, there could be some snow showers or flurries, certainly overnight into Christmas Day morning, but in chance of accumulating snow is going to be greater the farther west you go. But certainly maybe the valley floor could see a coating, maybe under an inch. But the current winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories are basically for the highlands, far southwest Virginia, into the high country of West Virginia. Things are quiet now, and we do expect some showers start to develop as we head to the pre-dawn hours. The clouds will continue to thicken up. High pressure's retreated offshore, and this is the next storm system. First of all, the main area of low pressure is up here across Iowa, lifting up into Wisconsin. There are blizzard conditions across Minnesota, and then we've got showers and thunderstorms out ahead of this cold front. Big difference, obviously, in the temperatures. Again, you can see that cold Arctic air back here across the Midwest and the Central Plain states. That'll wrap in behind this system after it pulls in the warmer air for tomorrow. So this dip in the jet stream is quite pronounced, and that's going to be approaching tomorrow and into Christmas Day, and the cold air will linger into the start of the weekend. So here we are early tomorrow morning. Showers get going, some moderate to heavy rain at times throughout the course of the afternoon. Then tomorrow evening, we've got another line of heavy rain potentially, and of course the rain will be moving out by the time the cold air gets here, but there could certainly be a changeover in spots into early Christmas morning. We'll start in the 20s and 30s, and basically temperatures backtrack throughout the course of the day. So basically tomorrow night at midnight will be the high temperature for Christmas Day. Clouds thicken tonight, some showers developing pre-dawn. We're in the 30s to around 40, but those temperatures will be rising tomorrow ahead of that Arctic cold front. And again, temperatures mild tomorrow, windy. We could talk about gusts of 20, 40 miles per hour potentially easily. And then those numbers come crashing down into Friday for Christmas Day. And again, we'll be in the teens early for Saturday morning. And Saturday starts cold. The last weekend of this year does look dry.